Hello friends, today we will learn how to install Python on Windows. So you can go to google.com, write download Python and hit enter. Once you do that, you will see different versions of Python. I prefer installing 3.12.0, which is a stable release. So once I click on this, it takes me to python.org download site and I see this version of Python. I need to scroll down the page, scroll it more down, and there I see Windows Installer 64-bit, which is the recommended version. So I will click on it and I will download it. Since I've already downloaded, I'll just click here and see for myself. So I open it. See, it says install Python 3.12.0 64-bit. So I will go to the option install now. The location might be different on your system. It changes with the system. So I click on install now and it starts installing. So it installs all the necessary files which are needed for the correct execution of Python. So it installed all the development libraries, the standard libraries, and all the other important functions needed for Python. So it takes a few minutes. It's not a very long process. It's a rather quick process, I should say, to install Python. The green bar shows that some installation is going on. So as you can see, it is progressing. So we need to wait a little bit till it finishes. So it is installing some test suite at the moment. Now some documentation. You can see the bar progresses to almost 80% of the installation process. Let's wait for the 20% more to happen. And yes, it's going at a very fast speed now. So let this finish. So this is the setup progress window, which shows up the progress of Python installation. Almost there. So it says, it suggests that everything is done, but don't click on the cancel button. Few things are still installing at the back end. We need to wait for it. If you click on the cancel button, your installation will stop. It will not finish. So we need to wait despite the fact that the green bar is complete, but still few things are happening at the back end. So let's wait for that. It still says installing. Yeah, and it's done. Now it says setup was successful and I close it. So let me check if I am done with Python. So you can see it says Python 3.2, 3.12 module docs, IDLE. So let's click on IDLE, which is the Integrated Development and Learning Environment. I can write a piece of code and check for myself. So you can see the 3 prompts here. I can write a simple Python command and see if it works for me. Yes, it gives me the output. It prints hi for me, which I wanted. So I can understand that Python is successfully installed on my system. So congratulations for the successful installation of Python. So let's start coding in Python. All for now. Thank you.